how to use HubSpot for landing page. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about HubSpot and how you can use this incredible CRM for a landing page. So to create a landing page, what you're going to do is you're going to come here on the left-hand side and you're going to come down here to content. Now in content, you're simply going to move over to landing pages. And once you move over to landing pages, here it's going to say drive customers to your website with landing pages, create and launch custom landing pages for your campaigns within minutes, easily convert visitors into qualified business leads, optimize your landing pages with conversion analytics, and a lot more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start from scratch. Here you can add any website that you desire, okay? And we're going to add a page name, so I'm going to call it LP as in landing page, and we're going to click on create page. Now, once you have done that, what's going to happen from here is it's going to start giving you themes for those landing pages. So you can go ahead to the theme marketplace to actually check if there is any consistent theme that you might find better. So just go ahead and check it out for yourself. So whatever theme you think is good, what you can simply do is click on view details. You're going to click on install, agree to their terms, click on install for free. And once the theme is fully installed, what's going to happen from there is you're going to go ahead and click on set as my active theme and start building my website. So once we do that, simply click on create page. And once you click on create page, what happens from here is it's going to bring you to your theme selector, obviously. So if there is any theme to work on, you can go ahead and edit it all you want, but we're going to come over to the theme editor, and this is where we're going to go ahead and do the magic. So once you can go ahead and choose different colors for yourself, different types of previews and presets that you want for your page. And once you've edited the whole theme, simply click on publish and that saves your theme. So once the theme is saved, what you can do is out of this whole theme, you can choose one landing page. So let's say I'm going to go with a landing page coming soon, or let's go with this landing page. All right. So once we do all of this, it's going to open up the final landing page builder where the main magic is going to happen. So this is what your template for the landing page looks like. Now to add things, first of all, there's the add section where you can add different elements like the accordion. You can add different things like breadcrumb and a whole lot more. Now it depends on you on whatever you want to go with. Now, obviously, that is something that you're going to want to change for yourself. We have accordion, breadcrumb, button with link, chords, events, CTA section, countdown timer, whatever you think is going to work best for you. Then we move over to contents. This is where you can go ahead and change and differently section your contents in whatever way you want. Then you have optimize, where you can optimize different things about your website. Moving over to test, where you can run A/B testing. And also you have a whole site navigator that you can change for your landing page as you go on. So once you've done this for yourself, simply go ahead. Now here it's going to say page title is required and content with a temporary content slug can't be published. So we're going to give it a page title. And once you give it a page title, from here, what you're going to want to do is one last issue that it is given us is content with a temporary content slug can't be published. So you're going to basically want to get a proper content slug. So just add whatever link you want. And once you've done that, simply go ahead to back, save your details. And once you've done that, you can publish your landing page from there. And that is how you're going to be creating a landing page on HubSpot in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.